गाँव छोड़ब नहीं, जंगल छोड़ब नहीं, माए माटी छोड़ब नहीं, लड़ाई छोड़ब नहीं।
गाँव छोड़ब नहीं, जंगल छोड़ब नहीं, माए माटी छोड़ब नहीं, लड़ाई छोड़ब नहीं।
This workshop has beautifully structured in such a way that it creates a space for tribes and Adivasis from across India. And what I particularly like about this workshop is in terms of its pedagogy. So this workshop is in a way that opens up where we can think our in terms of collectivity and togetherness and also healing processes.
Course is that it's not only about mental health alone, looking at it very from a generic perspective, but also trying to see mental health from the perspective of an Adivasi's approach.
टूल इक्विपमेंट वो बहुत अच्छा रहा। पहले वाला जो दिया था कि हर एक नंबर के नीचे अपना एक क्वेश्चन था, उसका तो हम फेस टू फेस एक दूसरे से बात कर सकें, खुल के बात कर सकें। और उसके बाद में जो टूल हमने यूज़ किया कि 4 ग्रुप में बांट के अलग अलग, तो इसमें से एक एक्स्ट्रैक्ट बहुत अच्छे से निकल आया। इसमें मैसेज तो वही था कि हम किस तरह से कलेक्टिवली काम करते हैं, हमारा नेचर से कैसे जुड़ाव है और हम पब्लिकली सारी चीज़ किस तरह से कर सकते हैं।
जब हम मेंटल हेल्थ और वेलबींग को देख रहे थे, कल भी जब बातचीत कर रहे थे, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें आप सामने आई थी। 2 चीज़ें जो मुझे भी ध्यान पे है वो कि एक ये इंटरजेनरेशनल है और वो पूरा समुदाय को लेके है। तो हम जब इसका हीलिंग को लेके जब बात करें तब हमें भी फिर वहाँ पर इंटरजेनरेशनल होकर सोचना होगा और हमें भी वहाँ पर समुदाय को सेंटर, कम्युनिटी को सेंटर रख के सोचना होगा। अगर ट्रॉमा इंटरजेनरेशनल तो हीलिंग भी इंटरजेनरेशनल होना है, तो हम उसको फिर कैसे एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं।
I think healing process has been faster than maybe if I was in the city. So the amount of support I got from the community, the people, nature, environment, rituals, culture, traditions, I think all these things have helped me to heal faster.
Amy was just now, he was sharing about the concept of Dunguriya or Morong, or which we call it as bachelor domain. I think practically all the tribal community have these ideas, but whether we have forgotten or some of the community now they are trying to revive it. The traditional institutions that are there existing in our cultures, in our communities, I think we need to seriously look at it and start developing.
It is an intrinsic interconnected relationship between nature and culture. And this is actually socialized and taught to everybody in the village between the human and the relationship with the forest. So the forest is like a teacher. Where many of us come as communities, we come as individuals, but we come as communities. But in discussing these larger issues, we should not hide individual pain that people experience. That is not the intention. The intention is that the discussion of larger issues, collective, shared experience, doesn't mean to deny someone's lived experience. Lived experience is experience at the individual level. We are very inward looking. But the time has come to also look into the future.
The first thing is definitely I feel is awareness. In a lot of context, we need to get aware that these are the things that are happening. Music as a method or a project or a program of healing, of awareness, of discussion. And how football as a program, football as a project becomes a beautiful manifestation of what we are talking about. Academic writing is one of the definitely important. So similarly, we can make music videos, we can make documentary films, we can make short films, we can write stories, we can do numerous and multiple methods. One needs to focus.
जब हम किताबें पढ़ते हैं तो एक थियोरिटिकली नॉलेज बस मिलता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे कई सारे एस्पेक्ट को अलग अलग लोगों ने अलग अलग थॉट्स को लाया और उसको एक साथ पुट अप किया और एक ब्रॉड नॉलेज लाया कि हम छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को हम जोड़ के भी एक वेलबींग बोलते हैं।
This workshop has like helped me to relook from being a tribal to understand my understanding about, or my worldviews about well-being. So this is that has led me. And today, if I speak, like after this 2 days workshop, it has made me to understand what is well-being for me as a tribal, and I look it as to rekindle the ideas of going back and picking up myself to move ahead in life.
I think what is important is the creation of spaces of this kind where we can come together, we can share, we can listen to each other, learn from each other, and then see where we can go from here. Because I think the very structure of mental health and well-being, these are very important concepts. We must not only have a good understanding but also have the ability to kind of propel new theories about how we should engage and view these realities.